RMUTP Roundup.
สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon and welcome to RMUTP Roundup on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. My name is อาจารย์เกษมพุทธเรืองศรี your host for the program. RMUTP Roundup is a program broadcasted every Monday from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Latest news, events and everything roundup from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon will be presented in this program, and today we start with the news from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon. Friendship Without Borders, Faculty of Liberal Arts, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon presented certificates to Chinese students strengthening international educational cooperation. On May 13, 2025, Dr. Natwarapon Ratsiri Wacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon, presided over the presentation of certificates to Chinese students in the cooperation project with Nanning Vocational College of Technology to train in the applied Thai language for careers and communication innovation program for the academic year 2024. There were 10 Chinese students who graduated from the applied Thai language program, Faculty of Liberal Arts, and passes the academic credit transfer criteria. They can transfer their academic results to study in the Bachelor's of Arts program in total. In addition, the Royal Merit Scholarship Admiral Prince Apaporn Kietiwong Gomalwong Chumphon Khet Udom Sak, Prince of Chumphon, was presented to two Chinese students with outstanding academic results. The Applied Thai Language Program, Faculty of Liberal Arts, has continuously provided education to students in this program since 2008 until now, which is the 18th class. The purpose is to enable Chinese students to use Thai to communicate in their daily use. Use listening, speaking, reading and writing skills by applying them to technology and Thai language documents expertly. Enable them applying knowledge to a career using Thai language as a foundation to build the future, including to preserve Thai language, which is a cultural heritage of the Thai nation, to be widely known internationally. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon joins the offering lanterns on the occasion of Visakha Bucha Day. On May 8, 2025, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon organized the annual Visakha Bucha Day 2025 event with executives and personnel joining the lantern offering ceremony to the Emerald Buddha as a Buddhist offering at Wat Phra Sri Ratana Sasadaram, Grand Palace. The lantern offering ceremony was made by the Faculty of Home Economics Technology, which has expertise in fine arts and crafts, reflecting the clear identity of Chotiwet. Every year, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon continues to beautiful Buddhist tradition in the lantern offering ceremony to the Emerald Buddha as a Buddhist offering to preserve the wisdom of making lanterns and hanging decorations today. Those interested can walk around and admire the beauty of the lanterns and candles hanging inside the grounds of Wat Phra Sri Ratana Sasadaram, which Buddhists with faith have joined in offering as a Buddhist offering in honor of His Majesty the King on the occasion of Visakha Bucha Royal Merit Making Ceremony, entry and exit through Sawaddi Sopha Gate. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon traveled to sign a cooperation agreement with the University of Victoria, Canada, and invest in developing English language skills of its personnel, hoping hoping to become a leading international university. On May 6, 2025, ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร led by Dr. นัทวรพล รัศริวัชรบุญ President, along with the executive team, traveled to sign a Memorandum of Understanding or MOU with the University of Victoria, Canada, a world-class university with expertise in English language teaching and developing teacher skills to international students. The aim is to drive the development of the potential of the university's faculty and personnel through a systematic English language skills promotion project. There were 21 participants from every faculty, office, and institute under Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, who participated in the holistic development of personal potential, covering both online learning in Thailand and intensive training workshops in Canada with native speakers supported by the university budget. However, this cooperation is an important mechanism to enhance the language and academic abilities of personnel, not only focusing on developing English communication skills for teaching and learning, but also focusing on becoming an international university under the Global English Proficiency Enhancement Program, which is a preparation for further development into an international university. Supporting changes in the educational world in the 21st century and supporting teaching and learning for international students and prepare to enhance research capabilities and learn best practice in international curriculum management, as well as systematically transfer knowledge to organizations, especially promoting and upgrading education for Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn students to have the opportunity to learn in a more international environment. On this occasion, the executives visited the teaching and learning management, exchanging ideas on developing English language skills for teacher and personnel in higher education, and observed engineering and university management, as well as exchanges knowledge with executives and faculty of the University of Victoria in various dimensions, especially engineering, which is an important step that will lead to further cooperation between the two universities in various areas in the future. Meanwhile, Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn joins the screening of UBI entrepreneurs in the Lower Central Region to the Office of the Parliament Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, or OPS MHE SR Committee for the year 2025 to 2026. On May 1st, 2025, the Business Incubation Development Unit, Research and Development Institute, Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, led by Assistant Professor Dr. Chantana Papattha, Deputy Director of Research and Development Institute, along with staff, led students, entrepreneurs to join the screening of entrepreneurs of the Business Incubator Unit in Higher Education Institutions, or UBI, the Lower Central Higher Education Network, fiscal year 2025 to 2026, 5-month round, second round, to the Committee of the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, or OPS MHESI at Saktip Grailerk Meeting Room, the 80th Anniversary เฉลิมพระเกียรติ Building, December 5, 2007. Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร Rajamongkol University of Technology กรุงเทพ This screening of entrepreneurs of the Business Incubator Unit in Higher Education Institutions or UBI was organized by the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS-MH ESI to promote the support of the use of research results, intellectual property, inventions and creative innovations, develop and promote sustainable entrepreneurship from developing entrepreneurs in the form of small and medium enterprise or SME. They can create added value from technology and innovation to commercial development, ready to accept changes that occur and focus on responding to regional or global markets by screening entrepreneurs from the Business Incubation Unit in Higher Education Institutions or UBI in the Lower Central Region Network. There were 7 teams of student entrepreneurships participating in the screening, consisting of the 6 pre-incubation teams. Those are Green and Grain, a healthy break product from asparagus, a healthy break product, November, an air refreshener, Bubble Bites, a shampoo tablet, Vika, a fashion rental and upcycling shop, Natural Care, a hand sanitizer gel product from the Faculty of Business Administration, and Neri, a bag product from the Faculty of Architecture and Design, and 1 startup incubation team, Young Mo, an art toy product from the Faculty of Science and Technology. This participation reflects Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn's commitment to promoting the potential of new generation entrepreneurs, using knowledge and innovation to develop business for sustainable growth, ready to step into the commercial market. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn joins hands with Samsen Police Station and local agencies to create safe roads to welcome the new semesters. On April 30, 2025, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, Samsen Metropolitan Police Station, government agency and private sectors signed a memorandum of understanding on cooperation to implement road safety measure ประชาชนสัญจรปลอดภัย with Assistant Professor ศรัทธาแข่งเพ็ญแข Assistant to the President for Special Affairs as the representatives for the signing. The signing ceremony was honored by Police Major General Attapon Wongseori Prida, Commander of Metropolitan Police Division 1, who presided over the signing ceremony at the ช่อแก้ว Conference Room, สวนสุนันทาราชภัฏ University. Assistant Professor ศรัทธาแข่งเพ็ญแข said, there are many schools and universities along Samsen Road, and a large number of students travel there, especially in May of each year, which is the first day of the first semester, which causes increased traffic congestion. In addition, there is a subway construction project on the road. Therefore, in order to create even more safety on the road, there is an arrangement to sign a memorandum of understanding on cooperation to implement road safety measures ประชาชนสัญจรปลอดภัย by campaigning for cooperation and creating traffic discipline, respect for traffic laws for road safety, which will be a model for people in the area and other areas. For Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, it is scheduled to open the first semester of 2025, divided into 2 levels of education, vocational certificate or ปวช opening on June 2nd, 2025, and bachelor degree on June 16, 2025. Next, the 5th Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn Vocational Certificate Awarding Ceremony. On May 1st, 2025, at 10:04 a.m., General Prince เฉลิมศึกยุคน preside over the 5th ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Vocational Certificate Awarding Ceremony for the academic year 2024 at the เฟืองเหนือ Auditorium Faculty of Engineering พระนครเหนือ Center ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Lieutenant General ชัยนรงค์กิจรุ่งโรจน์เจริญ Vice Chairman of the University Council acting on behalf of the Chairman of the ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Council along with Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President Executive Personnel and Students welcome the guests This year ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Council has approved 116 graduate of Vocational Certificate of ปวช from the Commerce Vocational Certificate, Faculty of Business Administration, and the Industry Vocational Certificate, Faculty of Engineering. In addition, His Majesty granted scholarships and certificates of various categories as follows: 27 students with outstanding academic performance, 2 students with the highest academic performance received the ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Medal, and students who received student scholarships, good academics, good conduct, vocational certificate level, entering to study for bachelor's degree in the academic year 2025, 6 students. Students who received scholarships for good conduct but lacked funds entered to study for a bachelor degree in the academic year 2025, 7 students. After the vocational certificate award ceremony, General Prince เฉลิมศึกยุคน gave a royal address to the graduates of the vocational certificate level. ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร part of which said, Education is very important for life because it is a tool used to develop knowledge, abilities, and skills in life, especially vocational education that focuses on developing specific professional skills, which are basic professionals for national development and preparation for entering higher education at the tertiary level. However, education alone is not enough for life after graduation because if there is a lack of morality, knowledge may be misused. In general, those who have knowledge can overcome others with wisdom. If those who have morality use Dhamma to overcome their own minds, such as conquering evil, defilements in the mind. If you can overcome your own defilements, you will not behave wrongly and strive to do good and earn an honest living. If all graduates can conduct themselves firmly on the basis of those two morals completely, coupled with wisdom gained from diligent study combined with knowledge and morality will lead to success in life. It will also benefit from education to support society and jointly develop the country to prosperity in the future. The Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร is an educational institution located in the city center and has long-standing expertise in vocational studies. Originally, this institution was included in the Rajamongkol Institute of Technology, which was an education institution that provided vocational studies. In the year 2005, the status was changed from an institution to a university. Currently, it provides vocational certificates of ปวช bachelor degree, master's degree, and doctoral degree. The vocational certificate of ปวช program began teaching in the academic year 2015, promoting educational development in all dimensions, including the curriculum to develop human resources in the vocational fields of skill, techniques, and technology. It also enhances the skills of the target group to have competencies that meet international standards. Currently, there are 4 types of studies: industrial studies, commerce, home economics, tourism, industry, and fine arts, totaling 13 subjects. Next, encouragement for personal computing in the Tumpang Games. On April 29, 2025, Dr. Nat Warapon Ratsari Wacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, gave encouragement to personnel participating in the 41st National University Personal Sports Competition or Tumpang Games and gave advice that everyone should be determined, do their best, compete with spirit, have sportsmanship, know how to lose, how to win, and know how to forgive. Respect the rules of the competition and have good friendship with fellow athletes from every university participating in the competition. Sending personnel to participate in this competition will not only create a reputation for organization but also enhance the health and well-being of personnel. Next, study visit on marine engineering and innovation. On March 31, 2025, Assistant Professor Dr. Prin Bunkanit, Vice President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, along with Colonel Bun'Eua Bunrit, Advisor on Public Administration and Organization, and the university executives traveled to study at the Marine Commerce Training Center in Mueang Samut Prakan District, Samut Prakan Province. Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn is interested in developing knowledge in ship system design and ship maintenance to apply in research, development short courses on smart boats and enhance the skills of lecturers and related personnel, including being able to transfer such knowledge to students and entrepreneurs in related industry effectively. Later, on April 30, 2025, a study visit on ship standards was held at the Ship Standards Office, Marine Department, Bangkok, with the university executives visiting the study. The university was honored to have Mr. Vibun Thirapap Sakul Wong, Director of the Ship Standards Office, along with staff who welcomed the university and present information on marine engineering and innovation, ship inspection, and ship equipment standards, which can be used to plan and develop knowledge in ship prototype designed to meet the specific ship standards, to drive the planning approach for manpower production and smart boat production that the university is interested in. And the time is up for today's RMUTP Roundup. Please join us every Monday here on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Your host has been Ajahn Kasem Puttarungsi. You are welcome to subscribe to our channel on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Thank you very much for joining our program today and see you again next Monday. สวัสดีครับ
RMUTP Roundup.